Hello buyers and welcome to 19 Villanook Way here in Chirnside Park. This low maintenance home is located in the peaceful Chirnside Estate Village and it is ideal if you're looking to enter the property market. Perfect for first home buyers, investors and downsizers alike. Please join me as we take a closer look. This great living area is ideal to unwind at the end of the day. This 3-bedroom home has a fantastic floor plan. The master located towards the front of the house with access to the main bathroom. Simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. This light-filled kitchen at the heart of the home, finished with modern appliances and ample bench space. You will appreciate the sense of warmth and privacy this property offers. How good is this outdoor space offering all year round entertaining? You will love this low maintenance property, easy living at its finest. Complete with roller shutters, just ideal for all year round climate control and offering that additional security. Such a gem. This home, this location is simply amazing. I'm Andrea Laucard from iTrack Real Estate and I'm so excited to introduce you to this lovely home. See you soon.